My research is focused on vessels in the body. It's not focused on the heart as some other people, but I look at the vessels, so blood vessels and lymphatic vessels. And everybody knows about blood vessels. Those are the arteries and veins in the body. And after a heart attack, you need to grow new blood vessels to get into the heart so that it's more functional. And we're looking at ways to promote the growth of these blood vessels in that case. But as well, in terms of cancer, it's the opposite. So if a cancer is growing in the body, it can grow, but it needs to get more blood so it can grow bigger. And to try to stop that, and a new approach to treat cancer is to block the growth of these blood vessels. And that's what we're looking at as well. So we're looking at the growth of the blood vessels and either promoting it or getting them to grow better or blocking their growth. Lymphatic vessels aren't as well known. They are, if people have heard of lymph nodes, so if you've heard of lymph nodes, that's an area that if somebody has cancer, they'll biopsy or take a look at what's in those lymph nodes. So in case the cancer is spread from this first site. So these vessels called lymphatics are very permeable. They let cells go in and out easily because we need them normally in our body. Our blood system, our white blood cells go through them to prevent infection and help reabsorb fluids. So we need these lymphatic vessels in our body, but cancer hijacks them. And basically, these tumor cells then can get into these lymphatic vessels and then spread. And what we're looking at is we found a gene that's called PROX1. It's a genetic switch. So without this gene, you don't get lymphatics to grow. So we're looking at how this gene works, and the idea is that we can then devise better ways to block lymphatic growth in order to prevent cancer from spreading.